guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I am back with a client tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and keep on watching. So today my client is celebrating her birthday and she's having a dinner, so we decided to do this nice brown natural glam look. And yes, y'all, so I'm starting off with her brows. I'm taking my Morphe pencil and Java. As you can see, my client brows, she don't really need much to her eyebrows because her eyebrows are naturally full and also they're arched. Usually when my clients get their eyebrows arched, it's a little bit easier for me to do their eyebrows and they come out 10 times better all the time. That's why her eyebrows look so good. But yes, y'all, I love this look. I usually love doing her makeup just because, again, I love the brows. Like, it'd be the brows for me. Okay, y'all, so now I'm taking my Tarte concealer in deep and cleaning the bottom of her eyebrows up. The brush I use, I always get this question, is from Max Lux Studio, this makeup artist that has her own cosmetic line. I'll have it down below where you guys can purchase it, but it makes the job easier. You guys can tell I love using this brush. Look how busted it looked. Like, it's starting to peel. I definitely need a new one, but yes, like, this brush is everything. Okay, loves, now that the eyebrows are all cleaned up, I'm going to take my ebony foundation stick from Black Opal, and I usually use this contour stick as my eyeshadow base when I'm doing the dark browns, just to make the brown pop out a little bit more. And yes, y'all, it also makes your job easier. Sometimes when I go in with like a dark eyeshadow, like directly on the eyes, it becomes a little bit patchy and it's not cute. So definitely try this trick and you guys will love it, trust me. And then after I'm done applying the contour stick to the eyes, I'm gonna take my Juvias Place Deep Dark Bronzer palette and using those two dark brown eyeshadows to set the concealer in place. Alright, y'all, so I used this new primer that I started using. I'll add it down below. I don't really know how to pronounce it, but it's like a moisturizer and a primer all in one. Some makeup artists just use this and, you know, continue with the whole foundation and everything, but me, I love a matte face, so I go ahead and add my Smashbox mattifying primer right after this. And then I start the foundation routine. So yes, this is exactly what I'm doing right now. Alright y'all, so for her foundation, I took two of Nars foundation. I took Nars igazu and I took New Caledonia. I took New Caledonia for the lighter parts of her face and the igazu foundation on the perimeter of her face where she's more darker at. I always take two foundations, always mix, because I don't want to apply a shade and she looks ashy, like especially she's a dark skin. I don't want to do that to her and mess up our pictures. Like, no y'all, we gotta keep our dark skin girls dark skin. So that's exactly what I'm doing right now. And then I took my Max Fix Plus spray and I sprayed her face just to hydrate it just a little bit, and then continue to blend it with my Real Technique brush. Alright y'all, so now I'm doing my favorite part, which is highlighting and contouring. I'm taking my Tarte Deep again and I'm mixing it with my Born This Way concealer in Chestnut just to give her a little bit more brightness under her eyes. I didn't over highlight her face because again, not everyone is comfortable with that, so I keep it in like the very, you know, normal highlight and not like the over dramatic highlight. So yes y'all, and then I took my ebony stick to contour her face just to bring back some warmth to her skin. So right now I'm taking my Anastasia Deep Peach Powder to set her face and to also bake. I love this powder. It is definitely dark skin friendly. You just gotta know how to use your powders. Do not use them to the point you just applying a bunch of I almost cuss y'all, too much stuff on your face. Do not put too much, especially if you don't know what you're doing, you know. Keep it settled like I have it right now, and then you go back in and you bake. It always looks better like that. Okay love, so now I'm taking my Juvias Place Deep Dark Bronzer. Same thing I used to set her eyes. I didn't want her face to be too too bronzy, but I wanted it to be, you know, cute and subtle, because again, it is kind of like a natural glam. So I took those two and I just mixed them and applied it where I would usually contour and also around her nose area. Okay, loves, now it's time for the lips. I'm going to take a normal brown pencil that I keep in my kit. It's an eyeliner from Wetnwild, y'all, only 87 cents literally, and I always use it for my lip liners. I'm gonna use that to line her lips. And then I took my NYX buttergloss and fortune cookie and my nudie patootie from Wetnwild for her lips, and then I apply clear gloss on top of it. Y'all, I always try to make sure I hype up my clients. I talk to them, start many conversations. If you don't want to talk, that's cool. But you know, usually me and my clients be talking, and it'd be nothing but good vibes lately. So that's a good thing. But y'all, hopefully you guys are understanding everything I'm saying, enjoying this video, because I really love this glam. And yes, y'all, I loved it. We're reaching to the end of this video, guys, and again, I enjoyed recording it for you, all of you. I'm so tired, y'all. But right here, I'm taking my MAC NW55 powder, and I'm just pressing the powder in her skin. Never sweep, always pat. You get the best look and no ashiness. Another tip. Look how good her face look, y'all, and this is on no filter, okay? And then I took my Fenty Beauty highlighters in the diamond bombs. I took the gold one and the frosted one, and I used that as her highlight today and spread her face up, and my girl was good to go. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.
Introducing Tarte